Hi, YouTube family. Welcome to All Trending Mzansi. So this is a quick update on the Olurato Mungaye story. Olurato went on a date on Sunday, and that was the last time she was seen alive. Her lifeless body was later on discovered at Lombati West in Johannesburg. 3 suspects are currently wanted: Fezile Ngubane, Bongani Mtimkulu, and Pilangenkosi Makanya. The white Polo Vivo car was discovered in KwaZulu-Natal in Phoenix in a panel beater with blood traces in it. This is indeed shocking. Mzansi Haibo kanti kwenzakalani kulo mhlaba? The owner of the vehicle was of course arrested and he is currently behind bars. And then these 3 suspects, they are wanted, and it is stated ukuthi hayi bandla umphakathi awube vigilant. Bomkosi uBongani noPhilangenkosi, they were arrested a few weeks back in relation to them trying to mark a woman endleleni, and then a vigilant police officer saw the incident and he was able to rescue that woman. This is indeed shocking, but they were later on released on bail. Uyayibona kodwa i-justice system. Now a poor girl has lost her life. This is indeed shocking and scary at the same time. At this point, being a woman in South Africa, hayi bandla kuyathusa impela. Bomkosi, police are urging the public to please be vigilant and look out for these suspects, and if they do happen to see them, they must not hesitate and inform the police. That's it for today, but please do leave your comments down below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Catch you on my next one. Thank you for watching. Bye.